I'm excited to see all of y'all's pictures. Let's get started with our lesson. It's going to be a little bit different today. The words are on 2 lines. Watch me touch all the words. Now I follow the arrow. Now touch the rest of the words. Your turn. Touch the words on the top line. Now follow the arrow. Finger on the dot. Now we're going to touch the words on the bottom line. Okay, back to the top. This time you're going to touch all the words in the story. Finger on the ball of the top line. Get ready. Good job. Now we're going to sound out the words. First word. Get ready. This. Again, sound it out. Get ready. This. Say it fast. Yes, this. Next word. Sound it out. Get ready. Is. Again, sound it out. Get ready. Is. Say it fast. Yes, is. Follow the arrow to the bottom line. Finger on the ball. Sound it out. Get ready. Not. Again. Get ready. Not. Say it fast. Yes, not. Next word. Sound it out. Get ready. Me. Again. Sound it out. Get ready. Me. Say it fast. Yes, me. My turn to read this story the fast way. This is not me. Your turn. Get ready. Okay, time for your worksheet. At the top, you're going to trace the words this is, and then you're going to write this is. Next part, you're going to match the sound. So if you see the sound A, you're going to write E. If you see the sound N, you're going to write Ah. Now on the back side, you're going to cross out A, and you're going to circle K. At the bottom, you're going to match your sounds. Remember to do your straight lines. On the last part, you're going to trace your sounds at the top, and then you're going to practice writing your sounds. After you finish all your pencil work, please color the picture and stay in the lines, no white spaces, and use real colors. And that's all for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye!